And ever since then, I must tell you, I've grown up with a massive inferiority complex, right? Because whatever we did together, Mrinal did much better than me. He didn't take any tuitions and beat me in all subjects, except Hindi, right? We started playing squash together. I, as usual, lost interest in a few months, but Mrinal went on to be a star squash player at Wharton, and more importantly, ended up with Ranveer Singh's abs. So Minu did very well in school, in college and at work. I remember this time I was working on a model for a real estate project, and Mrinal walked into the office to say hi. After spending 2 hours on Excel myself, I thought I'd ask Mrinal to just read and just ask his opinion on the Excel sheet in front of me. And in 5 minutes he deleted everything that I did and put up the easiest to understand, the best Excel sheet I've ever seen in my life. So now I asked him for his help on all business plans and projection models, or really anything that can be seen on an Excel spreadsheet. And he's extremely helpful. But let me tell you that in school he wasn't at all so helpful. Right? Once he had to give an exam before all of us. He was traveling somewhere and the teacher allowed him to take the exam 1 day before. Now, if your best friend is giving an exam a day before you, right? I think like most people in this room, assume that I'd probably get the questions from Minu and I wouldn't have to study for the exam. But no, because after the exam, after Mrinal gave the exam and I called him and I asked him for the questions, he simply said, Anand, I think it'll be good for you to study and I'm not comfortable giving you the questions. I don't think I spoke to the guy for 1 month later. Mudana auntie and uncle are very happy with that, honestly, the clapping. Now, those of you familiar with me must know, those of you who know me probably are very familiar with my bad jokes and my horrible foot and mouth disease. And I know that Mrinal knows this about me for sure, so I was very surprised when he asked me to come here and do this at his wedding. And with some investigation, I realized, and this is still being contested, but I like to believe that I owe the honor of speaking here to Nimisha, the High Command. And I believe the whole thing was her idea. So the brief given to me was to introduce Mrinal, or rather embarrass Mrinal in front of all the wedding guests. It was an opportunity I couldn't pass. And Mrinal tried his very best to salvage the situation, right? So his first text to me was, hey dude, how's the speech coming along? You can run it by Priyanka or Avantika to make sure it's okay. So I completely avoided the question with a funny, non-committal response. I said, nahi, don't worry. They must be busy in Shadi ka kaam. At work, we hold several events. If only we could do one with the detailing and precision of a Marwadi wedding, I think we'd have a line of sponsors in front of us. So he didn't reply. The next day I get another text from Mrinal. Dude, really, Avantika and Priyanka aren't that busy. Please feel free to take the speech to them. So I ignored him. And the final text message came 3 days ago. Yaar, I'd really feel a lot more comfortable if you just showed it to them first. And so with the years of friendship behind us, I decided to stick to tradition and not listen to him at all. But don't worry, Minu, I will not talk about your hookups in college. I think there's an S in there, I think it's a typo, I just meant hookup in college. I will not talk about the time you broke the sofa cum bed playing video games, because the X on the PlayStation remote wasn't responding to a gentle press. And I will certainly not talk about the time passengers on the entire bogie of the Lonavla-Mumbai train were choking or gasping for fresh air, or throwing up because the bathroom on the train was too dirty for you to use. Okay, I promise it's the last thing I will not talk about. The one thing I love most about Minu is his straight-faced quick wit. When I bumped into him at Priyadarshini Park, we crossed paths on the running track. I say hi and he says, see you on the other side. When I told him my friend Amrit was working on a movie, and Mrinal asked which movie, I said Barfi, he said sweet. So I'm supposed to introduce Minu to you. I've known him for 22 of 27 years. But Mrinal in love is a whole new person. He's always laughing, even when nothing has been said. He's smiling and grinning when nobody's around him. He walks faster and I now beat him at squash. He's funnier and smarter, happier and better. He's the new and improved Minu version 2.0. And Anisha, I have to thank you for introducing me to him. Good luck to you both, lots of love.